Sell it all, Johnny! Altcoin season's a damn myth!
In 2025, if you're holding altcoins waiting for the magical altcoin season, you might as well be waiting for Blockbuster to relaunch its IPO. Let me tell you a little story about capital flow, inflation data, and the cold, hard truth. You will lose money with crypto in 2025 unless you know what the hell is actually going on. See, every time Bitcoin sneezes, Twitter screams, altcoin season imminent. But I've been saying it, and I'll say it again. It's too early. The liquidity from ETFs, gone. The capital printer, still off. And the altcoins, bleeding harder than your leveraged longs in a Sunday dip. On paper, inflation data looked okay. The PCE came in as expected, but the core inflation, the one the Fed actually cares about, was too spicy for comfort. This complicates things, because it delays the juicy stuff, rate cuts, free-flowing capital, and yes, the risk-on insanity of altcoin pumps. You can't expect a bull market in dog tokens when Jerome Powell is still giving you the stink eye. Sure, the Fed proposed tweaks to the SLR, the supplementary leverage ratio. It's not the nuclear button, aka reserve ratio, but it's a whisper of liquidity. Think of it as slipping a $20 bill to the markets under the table. It'll help, eventually. But this isn't enough to revive the altcoin zombies. And here's the real kicker. That liquidity trickles in over 6 months. So unless you're long on hopium, don't expect magic overnight. Bitcoin dominance? 66% and climbing like it's chasing the 80s. Why? Because Bitcoin broke the risk-reward matrix. It offers outsized gains with relatively low risk right now. Altcoins? They're still hanging out in the maybe someday section. What needs to happen for altcoins to shine? Retail needs cash. Right now they're broke, period. Institutions need a reason. ETFs and trusts for altcoins are coming, but not here yet. The conservative capital, BTC, ETH, USDT, USDC, needs to top out around 80% dominance. Once that happens, capital gets bored and hunts for bigger returns. Enter the altcoin rally. We've seen it before. In 2021, the 80% mark was the tipping point. When Bitcoin and friends got too fat, the money ran to the skinny kids in the back of the class, altcoins. So, will there be an altcoin season? Yes, eventually, but not now. Not this quarter, probably not even this year. We're close, but close means 60 months away. Until then, altcoins are just burning your capital while Bitcoin does the heavy lifting. So unless you're buying altcoins like you're buying lotto tickets, with money you can lose, stick to the high ground. If you really believe altcoin season is dead forever, why the hell are you holding altcoins? That's like holding a floppy disk in 2025. I believe it's coming, but not now. For now, Bitcoin is king. Ethereum is the prince. Everything else? Just court jesters, until the capital printer goes burr again. Stay sharp, keep your portfolio lean, and remember, this ain't financial advice, but if you're gonna play the crypto game anyway, grab some ammo using my referral link down in the description. You'll thank me when the season finally hits. Be greedy when others wait for altcoin.